Hello! Maayong hapon mga kabutchi. Today we are on our week number 10. So week number 10 of year 2024 mga kabutchi. 2025 mga kabutchi. So, ipaningot ko mga kabutchi because mukay pag panlaba. So, currently mga kabutchi, we are on our third place. So, see mga kabutchi. So, kita kaya nga akong mga black cardinal, mga kabutchi. But here, mga kabutchi, this is our very, very little, not so little Thai constellation. Siguro, siguro mga kabutchi. Hindi siya makita. Ay. Okay. So, change tag position mga kabutchi. Para makita na to ang ato ang Thai constellation. See mga kabutchi. So, our Thai constellation. So, this is the second purchase of Thai constellation mga kabutchi. The first Thai constellation was planted by my sister mga kabutchi. Actually, this was also planted by my sister, but I replanted this one mga kabutchi. Because, as I've said before, when the plant arrives mga kabutchi, the roots are all, sana siya po sa term na mga kabutchi, all stuck together mga kabutchi ba. So, because that is to save some space during shipment. So, when the plant arrives mga kabutchi, you need to spread the roots when you are going to plant them mga kabutchi. So, supposed to be, this is already a mature Thai constellation mga kabutchi with 3 leaves. When this one arrives mga kabutchi, though the 3 leaves are still here mga kabutchi, but they're not healthy. And then this is the first leaf of our Thai con. When after we planted this one mga kabutchi, and then I decided to replant, and here it goes mga kabutchi. But I think the latest leaf mga kabutchi is bigger than the previous one. So I think the Thai con is okay. So mo na siya. So 360 ta sa ato ang third place mga kabutchi, no? Oops. Nalay vacant. So the dead black cardinal, though we have another black cardinal here mga kabutchi, another one over there, and we also have a surviving black cardinal. So balik ta sa atong original position mga kabutchi, wherein we have the black cardinal mga kabutchi. So this is our red Congo mga kabutchi, and this is our green Congo. So they both are not healthy and they are surviving. And then we have here another one. This is our royal queen. Ano siya mga kabutchi. So, ano siya? Our third place. We actually bought so many philodendrons mga kabutchi, but only few survived. But at least we have few philodendrons pa mga kabutchi. At least, diba? So, kani mga kabutchi, this is the snowdrift, variegated snowdrift mga kabutchi. I really want to have a snowdrift mga kabutchi, but the snowdrift are not doing well. So I have the variegated here. So nasa few variegation. And then I have the another snowdrift here mga kabutchi. So I think Mag-grow na sila next year. Not this year, mga kabuchi. So, time check. 5 minutes, mga kabuchi. Uy, naku, visitors. Oh, birdie, birdie, bird. Asa naman to si birdie, birdie, bird? Nilili siya. So, mo lang ni siya, mga kabuchi. I am not planning on adding new philodendrons na, mga kabuchi, because I have a small space. And then, if you look at our pots, mga kabuchi, they are all giant because we wanted to collect big plants only. So, once the plants will grow big, mga kabuchi, it will really occupy some space, mga kabuchi. Look at that. Like that one, mga kabuchi, oh. Nakita niyo mo? Kana siya. The sensation, giant sensation, mga kabuchi. Dako jud guys siya. Ang belite sad, mga kabuchi, oh. So, supposed to be guwapa na ni siya nga belite, but then na butangag kapi or something. So, we transferred it here, mga kabuchi. So, ana lang siya, mga kabuchi. So, this is our third place na, mga kabuchi. So, right now, mo lang na siya ang atong garden update. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!